So how far have you humans got with AI on planet Earth? If you think you've got a good idea of what's going on out there, well, keep watching, as in a moment we'll reveal 6 things you probably don't know about ChatGPT, stable diffusion, and the future of generative AI.
Bill Gates, Microsoft co-founder, stated that artificial intelligence, or AI, will be the most talked about and debated topic of 2023, in an interview with Forbes. Other AI leaders also expressed the same sentiment and acknowledged that after years of research and demonstration, the shift to AI has finally arrived.
OpenAI and its conversational AI model ChatGPT, with an estimated 5 million users just 60 days after launch, serve as proof of the shift. ChatGPT is currently viral in schools, causing New York City to ban it from public school computers, and is soon to be integrated into Microsoft's Office software suite and various business applications.
However, OpenAI nearly shelved the release of ChatGPT due to concerns over its capabilities. On the other hand, Stability AI's Stable Diffusion open-source image generation model has been widely used in various industries such as making pop videos or Hollywood movies, and by over 10 million people daily.
Stability's CEO Ahmad Mostake predicts a bubble in the .ai phenomenon. OpenAI was recently valued at $29 billion and Stability at $1 billion, off virtually no revenue, so you could be excused for believing the bubble has already begun. Although the experts have differing opinions on the market outlook for AI, it is certain that AI will soon have a significant impact on the way people work, whether they like it or not.
So here are 6 things you probably didn't know about ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, and the future of generative AI.
Number 1. The previous generation of billionaire founders of big tech companies have returned to their roots. Bill Gates, for example, has reportedly said he is now dedicating 10% of his time to Microsoft, working with product teams and being enthusiastic about AI. Google's CEO, Sundar Pichai, has initiated a code red to shift the company's focus towards combating AI tools like ChatGPT. Meanwhile, the reclusive founders of Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, are also back. According to Forbes, Brin recently submitted a code request for Google's natural language chatbot, Lambda, marking his first such activity in years. Number 2. The release of ChatGPT was nearly cancelled. Despite its widespread popularity, the chatbot did not garner as much excitement among OpenAI employees as you might think, who didn't initially see it as really useful. However, after attempts to focus on domain-specific alternatives failed to gain traction internally, and with the AI ecosystem booming due to tools like Stable Diffusion, OpenAI changed its decision and decided to go ahead with the launch of ChatGPT. It really lit a fire under OpenAI, said Sequoia investor Pat Grady, whose company bought shares in OpenAI in 2021. Before its launch, OpenAI co-founder and president Greg Brockman expected minimal success for the chatbot, but instead, it quickly gained a massive following, with its Discord channel alone attracting 2 million members in a mere 2 months.
Number 3. The rapid success of ChatGPT had a big impact on OpenAI's development on GPT-4. While ChatGPT's early popularity, attracting over 1 million users in its first 5 days, was a positive, it also placed a burden on OpenAI's servers and required the company to redirect computing resources from the training of new models like GPT-4 to support ChatGPT. This delay in GPT-4 development has caused speculation about when the model will now be released. However, it has at least been reported that OpenAI has developed a sense of humor, according to an early donor, billionaire Reid Hoffman.
Number 4. Stability's compromise with Amazon. Ahmad Mostake has positioned his company, Stability, as the AI company for the people, developing technology differently from the panopticon approach of big tech. However, he has quietly made a deal with a tech giant, Amazon, which has yet to emerge as a major player in the AI race. The cloud giant provided Stability with over 4,000 NVIDIA GPUs to run their supercomputer, one of the largest in the world, which was used to train Stable Diffusion. This is a significant increase, as Stability only had 32 GPUs a year ago, according to Mosaic.
Number 5. The hidden cost of cloud computing in AI development. Despite the new advancements in AI technology, the underlying computing infrastructure required to build these apps is becoming increasingly expensive, as evidenced by OpenAI's reported $10 billion investment from Microsoft, much of which is expected to be spent on cloud computing costs for Microsoft's service Azure. However, there is a lack of transparency in these costs, which can lead to a situation where the real cost of machine learning is difficult to track, according to Clem DeLange, CEO of Hugging Face, which hosts AI models such as Stable Diffusion and has a recent valuation of $2 billion. DeLange has even referred to this issue as cloud money laundering.
Number 6. Is the final objective of AI artificial general intelligence, or AGI? The term AGI refers to an AI that is conscious, can continuously improve itself, and may surpass human control. Some experts, including Elon Musk, who used to donate to OpenAI but has since severed ties with the company, are concerned about this possibility. Sam Altman believes that it may be difficult to recognize an AGI when it arises. As a result, OpenAI has implemented 2 unique measures for a unicorn startup, including a profit cap, which will revert the company to a non-profit entity after a certain amount of profit has been returned to shareholders, and a merger condition, where if a competitor is approaching AGI, OpenAI would discontinue its work and merge with the more successful project. According to Altman, when an AGI does emerge, it may have a dramatic but positive impact on capitalism.
So that's about it for this roundup of things you may not have known about the current state of AI on planet Earth. When you start thinking about how our world is going to change, in only 2 or 3 years, it's pretty exciting. And the implications of this technology for us in the coming decades are both fascinating and a little terrifying. We'll see you in the next video.